Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. My name is Gabriel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace words with emoji while texting. So, as you can see, I'm going to go to the message app, see it open up. I'm texting Jordan, and let's say I want to say hi. I type in hi, and as you can see on the right, there's a waving emoji. So I could press that, and then it automatically turns into the waving emoji. What else? What else can I press? Let's say I press birthday for someone's birthday. Look at all the three emojis that come up on the bottom. Press those and they come up. So thank you for watching this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. For more information, visit millercedartech.com.